প্রশাসনের রাজনীতিকরণ হচ্ছে, দুর্নীতির প্রতিষ্ঠান হয়ে গিয়েছে বাংলা। নিউজ 18 কে দেওয়া একান্ত সাক্ষাৎকারে জানালেন জেপি নাড্ডা।
With me, BJP President JP Nadda. Sir, a month ago, when you had come to Bengal, a section of political activists attacked your convoy, pelted stones at you. Today, you are ushered with flower petals. Is there a transition that you see?
See, as far as the attack on me was there, it was a very planned effort. Of course, the people who did it and the political party which engineered it, I don't find any change in them. They are the same. It is the politicization of administration, it is the criminalization of politics, and it is the corruption of being institutionalized. As far as the people of Bengal is concerned, at that point of time, I found people to be a little afraid. They wanted to support us, but there was somewhere in the environment there was some fear. In 1 month's time, I find that fear has gone, and I find that the people wholeheartedly are very positive to support the Bharatiya Janata Party. The response which I got right from helipad to the Gram Sabha meeting, it was unscheduled, people standing on the roadside, waving, and the love and affection which they gave, it speaks volumes about the support.
Right.
The same I found in the public meeting, the responses which came. The same way in the road show.
Right.
It was not the people of Bharatiya Janata Party who were there in the road show, but from the rooftops,
Right.
from the houses, from the galleries,
Right.
from the balconies, you could see how youth, women, people from who are employees in shops, they came out and they were supporting us.
Fear gone, sir. Quickly, second question. This morning you went and reached out to the farmers. That was in the rural hinterland of Bengal. In the afternoon, you held a road show in Burdwan town, which is an urban pocket. Now, this rural-urban mix that you kept in your schedule today was very interesting. Can you elaborate a little on that? Why did you mix the two today?
You see, we represent all sections of the society. So we have to do justice with all sections of the society, number one. Number two, the first program was an outreach to the farmers.
Right.
And the second program was to reach to the people of Burdwan.
Right.
So both, it is inbuilt in our program, and we keep on doing it like that.
So the urban, the farmer community is also very, very important to
Every section is very important for us, and farmers are very important.
Right. Thank you so
Especially
much.
we have decided to give them Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for talking to CNN News.